Welcome to our crocodile leather farm, Richmond, where craftsmanship begins with care.
From hatching to tanning, every stage is handled with precision and respect.
From nature to luxury, this is the journey of the crocodile leather bag. Okay, the gate is open. Bring the crane over here. All right, push it in.
Almost there.
Okay, seal it up. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the processing area. As you can see on the blueprint here, the pressure reading on this valve is still too low for the required settings.
We have a bottleneck forming at the cutting station.
Adjusting the flow rate. Keep an eye on the output metrics.
Look at the uniformity on this scale right here. It's impeccable.
Yes, the dyeing process was very successful on this piece. Make sure to notice.
manufacture is truly remarkable, isn't it? Each piece is handcrafted over several weeks.
It's exquisite. The stitching is flawless.
The texture is quite unique to this specific hide, sir.
It's exquisite. A true work of art.
This initial stage is crucial for the texture.
Another shipment ready for the world. Keep up the great work, everyone.